Good morning, traders. What's going on here? Getting messages and stuff already. Alright. It's still slowly climbing. Don't like that. Let's see. So a couple of possible plays there. PLAG. So about 1.3 million shares at 260. So that's got some room to run. See, right below the 200 day. Keep that on watch. GBLS. Good morning, Tony. Let's pop over to the Weebles real quick. Check out what's going on around the world. Alright, so we've got some volume, it looks like, in the short on the Dow Jones. So, yeah, NASDAQ's already down. And we got coal, uranium, and gas, renewable energies still at the top of the industries. So I'm going to be probably looking for some oil plays to move. I'm going to go ahead and make a watch list of this somewhere. First, real quick, let me check the SPY. SPY sold off to 439. Yeah. Looks like see what we got. Some SPY here, or some news here. Bond yields rise. Crude continues to surge higher on limiting supply concerns. Democratic Whip Bourbon says Democrats exploring all possibilities to keep the government funded. If you did not know, the government is only a few days away from defaulting on all of the debt for the first time in history, which is should really do a number on everything, just everything. It's just not a good. Well, they should technically default. That would be the right way to do it. When you've got a bunch of debt and you can't get out of it, you just file bankruptcy. That's what you got to do. So they're going to have to deal with that. See, I know we were seeing CEI move. Go ahead, throw CEI up there, and then I think, let's see, GBR, USEG. Those are all energy plays. Here, I know what I'll do. I'll just set up a scanner for this. Get that nonsense out of here. Don't need that. Add filter. Shares. Filter. And if I'm talking too low or my voice starts cracking, then I'm sorry. You'll have to bear with me. Or tell me to talk a little bit louder, but my voice still's not all the way back yet. I can only get so loud. So for those out there who wish I would talk a little less, you got your hopes and dreams there. Last, that's what I was looking for. I got distracted. Okay. So let's do a minimum 500,000 volume. And I don't want any energy stocks over 200 million. I think that's 200 million. Yep, okay. And then we want them between, let's just go a dollar and $20. Whoa, not that much. There we go, $20. And then we're gonna scan in industry. And we're just gonna do all energy. And then we're going to do intersect, let's see, exclude. Where is it at? Exclude all OTCs. Now let's see what we got going on. So we got those. I did all that just to get this. Fantastic. Let's go a little higher. See if we can get a little bit more than this list. Nope, that's the list. All right. Well, that's what we're going with, I guess. Those are the only two oil stocks or energy stocks moving at the moment. Fantastic. PLAG, that is looking ugly. I'm going to take that off. I don't like the way it looks at all. I can't say anything with my chest. Like, see, if I start getting any louder, my voice starts getting scratchy and cracky. Hello, Lloyd. Good morning. Good morning, Sicilian. Boy, I'm not seeing a damn thing right now anywhere. I do want to keep RCAT on watch. It did have a sell-off yesterday, but that's good. It's a good sell-off. Still held most of its gains, or half of its gains. No, I don't have a cold. I recorded 6 videos Saturday. It was a lot of recording. And then my dogs got into a little scuff, and I had to yell at them after that. So the yelling at the dogs to stop fighting was the final straw for my voice on Saturday, and it just went completely out. Good morning, Donnell. SNOA. We'll pull it out. Or pull it up. Woo. Let's see. What is going on? Over-the-counter products on Amazon. Rising treasury yields. Yeah, we already know that. The bonds are going up. This is quite the move already. I don't want to touch it right at the moment. I'm going to have to give that some time to figure out which way that's going to go. Because that was a pretty big rip. That's got to be 100% gain. It's double the price. We'll see. Here's the thing, though. Look on this daily chart. Look on this daily chart. Look at this. Big gap up, sell off in pre-market or after pre-market. Big gap up, sell off. Gap up, sell off. We've got 2 candles where this thing actually held its gains. The rest of this is mostly selling off. So it is at a low. Just hit a hot low of, oh, never mind. It's not a low at the moment. It's up at 867. Yeah, because of that daily chart, I don't think that's going to do anything. But I could be wrong. If it does, it's going to be a quick pop and then a drop. Yeah, it's got this nice little, actually it's cracking that trend line. So we will wait there for a second. GBDC, what's going on with that? Just had a little pop. Okay, holding around 320. GBR was the other. We got it on there. Very low float. See, we're about to open up here, so I'm going to be trying to cut this list down quick. But I think we'll probably see oil continue to run. Oil stocks. Yeah, I'm a lead singer in a local metal band. We're called Chili Stank. Chili Stank. Got a little support in this little area. Let's see here. BTCS getting a little pushback up there. MRIN nothing. CEI nothing. TATS nothing. HUSA getting a little doji star to open on this 3-bar play. RCAT dropping some. GBR. We may be going here. Let's see what we got. I don't like that 1 minute. Let's see. $5.85. Let's see, how did this move yesterday? Had a pop out the gate. Yeah, very nice. Oh yeah. I'm going here. I'm starting to pop. This is an energy stock, so I'm just looking for one with some movement. Ooh, I got filled at 577. That's a little high. Gotta break this 575. A little rejected there so far. Give that a minute. Yeah, SNAOA selling off. No surprise there. CEI starting to push up too. I may go on CEI as well. I'm going to get down in here and CEI. On both of these, there we go. GBR starting to pop. Going on both of these oil plays or energy plays. Let's see if you can break 6, GBR. CEI starting to test $3. Struggling to try to break 6, but we're not getting that much volume yet on GBR. There we go. Now it's starting to push back up there again. CEI does have pretty good volume, but got to break 3. Oh, coming up to 6. Let's see. See some 6 on that ask. Show me some 6 on that ask. Get up there. Get on up there. Yeah. Come on, let's get them 5.99s out of there. Let's get a little rejection off of 6. CI doing CEI, still trying to test 3. So a little pullback there. I do live. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning, Lightning Rick. CEI pulling back at all? No, CEI is not pulling back at all. Why am I adding this? 578? Okay, I don't mind. I don't mind that. MRIM popping back over 10. That could be a possible play. DATS starting to rip here. Break of 12 basically, but got this little U shape, so that's a possibility. HUSA did get a pop up. And GBR pulling down a little bit. CI pulling down a little bit. Let me see. SPY dropping. SPY is dropping. Yep. We are going down on the SPY. That should only strengthen oil. Let me pull up TradingView so I can have my oil chart on the side. Oh yeah, oil just had a little pullback, but let's see. Yeah, we're at some resistance on oil. Need to break over 77 on oil. These are going to continue to run. $2.94, 20 cents. But, I don't want to put a stop loss yet. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. USCG, that's another oil stock slowly popping. See, DGBI, that's curling over. That's curling over. Go getting a little pop. CEI hanging around 290, so that's a good sign there. And GBR needs to hold up. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this candle's fixing to close, so we'll see if GBR starts to push up on this next candle. Oh, see it start to go green here. There you go. If it can break back over 580, we should get a test of 6. If it doesn't break over 580 here, we may have some problem. CEI getting a little squeeze here. As long as we're holding above the bottom of that candle, holding above 556, should be alright there. SNOA looks like it's about to sell off. USEG still slowly climbing. Zevo with a little possible pop up there. A little turnaround. And don't want to see CEI dump. See Archon's up there. It's gonna run into a lot of resistance though. Ride popping up. So a couple different things popping up right now. The go-go's selling off. DATS really starting to pop. If DATS breaks 1245, DATS could be off. Yeah, you can see very close. Trying to get that break. GBR starting to come back up a little bit. Good morning, Angel. Alright, there we go, CEI. Let's see that $3 break. Very nice. CEI starting to pop up now. Let's see you start moving. GBR starting to push back up. Let's go. Let's go on the oil stocks. Can we break 580 here? We got CEI holding over 3, which is what we want to see. And we just want to see GBR break over 6. Yeah, very nice. CEI should continue to climb. Slowly. Well, maybe not slowly, I don't know. That was a pretty quick pop for this high of a float, but we'll see. GBR coming up right now, close to 6. Oh boy. Oh boy. CEI still climbing. Come on, GBR, you can do it. Break that $6 and show me the frisk. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful breaking that 6. Let's see if volume starts ramping up. Oh, no. Little rejection at 6. A good test. Good test. As long as we're holding above 590 at this point, we want to see 6 start building as support. If 6 can start building as support, we're going to be good to go on this. CEI, wait, CEI, yeah, you're looking good. Above all EMAs on the intraday chart. Let's go. Yeah. JCS starting to get a little buy, and this is trying to hold up right here. We got a little triangle on JCS. Could break out of this. I'm still holding them shares. I'm a renegade. Oh yeah, CEI is about to push some more. There we go. Let's go. CEI is frisky today, boy. These little 7-10 cent pops it's getting. I like it. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. There we go. GBR trying to get back up to that 6. As long as CEI is running, we should see GBR try to make a move. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep on pushing. Beautiful. 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 I'm having a wonderful time. So we got a little resistance at 325 we're going to have to break through. Come on, JBR. You want to do it too. We got to get a candle to close over 6 on GBR if it's going to rip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. CEI is trying. There it goes. Let's see. I want to see at 325 on the ask. Let's see it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's go. Let's go. Breakthrough 325. So definitely got some resistance there. So we probably gonna hang out there for a minute. 315 holding that support. USG, that other oil stock, it's popped over 5 as well. GBR, the pull back down again. Alright, let's see if this candle pushes up on GBR. Trying CEI. Just chilling out here. Getting some consolidation. GBR, are you gonna get it or not, bud? Oh, SONOA is done. Go with a triangle. Keep an eye on this one. This is a little higher price one, but this one could break out. This has got a nice tight triangle. Ooh, GBR really pulling down here. I may have to hop out of this if this cannot get back up. Let's see, 550, hold up here. $550's trying. CEI is getting ready to try to give 325 another test. And okay, still getting close. We may break out here. May make another leg up on CEI. Boy, this is ugly. You're looking so good. Oh, yeah, there goes CEI. CEI breaking over 325. Let's go. Where are we going to next? Still getting a little hoodoo there. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. Come on up. Oh, yeah. There you go, CEI. Let's go. Let's try and hold 330 as support. And I was selling at 332. Uh, 330 acting as a little resistance. GBR, bro. I'm trying to give you a shot here, man. You're not working with me. You're not working with me. Your friend CEI is doing all the work right now. So on CEI, where do I want to put a stop at? Because CEI is more than likely not going to be a huge ripper all at once. It's probably going to be a slower play, although I am impressed by the movement so far. Been getting some nice little quick pops. Plenty of buying volume there. Ooh, GBR just dumped on me. Yep, got to get out of GBR. I'm going to see if I can pull back up real quick. Down 20 bucks on that. Come on, get back up there a little bit more. I just want to try to save as much of this loss as possible. Whoa. Okay, that was a nice push back up. gap down on that little fella. See where we at on the daily? $3.03 is where the 200 is, so it's got strong support at $3. I don't think I want to hold it that long. So okay, CEI having a little pullback. Still consolidating and try to test. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance in that 6 area on this. You know what, for now, I'm actually, I was gonna try to get out, but then seeing that big buy-in spike back in, kind of get like a little double bottom here. I'm just gonna put a stop loss right under that 521, right under the 200 day. And if this thing can rebound, it can rebound. If not, oh well. SPY still dumping there. Should be seeing commodities go up. Oh, oil's having another little pullback, so that's why they're pulling back. Alright, as long as oil holds up here, should be good. No, CEI may not be done yet. It's still slowly climbing. It's a higher float though. It's not the normal low floats I like to trade. It could be done, but oil right now is what's driving the energy stocks. Now this is a little doji there at the 4 hour, so that's what I was saying. Oil needs to hold up this $75 area here and bounce off this 10-day. But if it starts cracking below 75.50, then both these plays will crack. Entry 294. Whoops. How do we get all these bars? Alright. Hold on just a second, guys. I'll be right. Yeah. Good morning, Fat Boy Drizzy. Morning, One Life. Good morning, Crystal. Or Chris, what just happened? Oh, GBR just cracked. So what did I take on GBR? Yeah, $30 also. That's all right. Because I think CEI is going to keep running here. It's starting to come back and try to test that 325 already. Whew. Ooh, that spy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, that spy. Yeah, buddy. Yikes. He turning blood. Close. Still got some green in there, but not a lot. And that's going to kind of make it difficult. We're fighting a downtrend. I don't want to touch anything else now. So I don't want to be fighting against the market. Let me take a look at this on the 15-minute. Yeah, see, we've been having this nice build-up. Basically got a trend line, something like that. What this is, I'm just going to remove this. We don't care about that anymore. GBR just dying. What did USEG do? That died too. So CEI is the only thing out of these oil stocks. Whoops, I accidentally closed trading view. Let me pull it back. Or did I? Hold on. Maybe I didn't. Oh, there it is. And see oil having a little pullback, but it's just pulling back to the 10-day here. So we should start to see a bounce. Now this makes no sense. This where the government's about to default and the U.S. dollar is pushing up. Get the no gold and silver dropping too. What is going on right now? This has been the craziest last couple of weeks between all the markets, the crypto markets, gold, everything. Looks like we're going to get a little triangle breakout here. Nice consolidation so far. Getting more buying than selling. So if we continue to see buying on this candle and break 325, we'll be off. Yeah, I don't want to touch none of these with... Let's see, what is Unify? It's a natural food company. Spy's starting to come back up a little bit. Did MRIN start pushing up? Oh yeah, MRIN, nice little U shape. Trying to push up that pre-market high to break, but this is a possible play. Beautiful pattern. Where's all the resistance at though? 1150 is where all the resistance is. This candle's fixing to close in 3 minutes. I kind of like the way we're looking here. I want to get a little bit better entry than right here, but I don't know. I may have to. Got quite a spread too. I'm hopping in here. It looks like it's going to try to start breaking. CEI still questionable. What did I get filled at? I got filled exactly at 1025. That's okay. Just going 30 shares on MRIN to see if it's going to continue this move. This is a nice little curl here. CEI battling. Ooh. Damn, yeah, I should have waited just a little bit longer. This nasty little pushback here. Could have got a little bit better of an entry. Spy, oh God. This spy is looking dumpy. Oh God, now I see Al Qaeda stuff going on. What the, where? Ah! What is going on right now? Thought we took care of Al Qaeda. Oh my God. Yes, says MRIN. I jumped in at 1025. It looked like it's going to try to push. I'm looking. It's got to break its pre-market high at 1040 if it's going to run, and then if it does break that, it's got room until 1150. What are you going to do here, CEI? What are you going to do? There we go. That's starting to look good there. Like we're going to try to test 325. Still a lot of sellers at 320. MRIN's alright though. Still holding up. Even with that candle, that ugly wick there, it's still trying to push up some more. There you go, CEI. See at 325, because you can see the tops of these. The tops of the bodies and these two previous candles right here, the wicks, all getting held up at 325. So that's what we got to break. I'm going to go ahead and move this triangle because we already pretty much broke that. MRIN still Still chilling there. Oh, we gotta, right here's where we gotta break. We gotta break 1020 and hold. See it right across tops of those bodies, tops of those wicks. That's what we're looking to break. There we go. All right, CEI, breakout time, baby. Let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get on up there. Yeah. Y'all, you're feeling it, CEI. You're feeling it right now. Well, which time frame, Tony? Because I do use the, well, I don't use the 9-day, I use the 10-day because I like the 10-day a little bit better. But yeah, I have the 10-day, the 50, and the 200 on my daily chart. The 200 is the red line. You can't really see it on CEI, but the 50 and 10 are down there. We should at least get up to 350 here. Yeah, there we go. I was gonna say 340 is acting as a little resistance, so maybe we're gonna slow down there. You know, we are getting slowed down at 340, so let's do its thing. But yeah, so here on my daily chart, 250 10-day. MRIN with another little ugly candle push down there. Really getting some rejection at that 320 area. I want to see if CEI is going to test 350. Okay, there you go, MRAM. You know, push back up over that. Get over that 1020. You're right there at it. Just a little bit more. Great. Thanks, tool worker. I'm glad you continually watch a channel that's boring as hell with no content and no value. You'll be one of those guys who sits on the couch and it's too lazy to change the channel, so you just sit there and bitch about whatever's on TV because you're too lazy to get up. I hate this show, but I'm just gonna watch it because I don't feel like getting off the couch. I already have my popcorn and my Cheetos and my Red Bull. A little bit of rejection, pushing back. Okay, we're still holding up though. Don't think because I lost my voice I still can't roast your ass. You better calm down. This is stock trading, man. It's watching charts. I mean, what do you want me to do? You want me to get a bull and have a rodeo in the middle of my day trading. Like, what else do you want from me? I'm sorry that my free content is not good enough for you. I've never understood that. People who complain about free stuff. Why don't you, hey tool worker, why don't you go leave me a 5-star review, Karen? Or a 1-star review, Karen. You want to speak to a manager? I don't like his little double top. If I wasn't doing this right now, what would I be doing? Well, your mom got this new outfit, so, you know, probably go take her out on a date to Applebee's. She likes those mozzarella sticks at Applebee's. Oh, yeah, my live stream, 6 people. He's gonna ignore the other 7,000 people on the channel. I love it. I love it. Try to attack me while I can't talk. Alright, so we are trying to hold. We got a minute and a half on this candle. We're trying to test 1025, but we need this candle to at least close above 1020. CEI is still just doing its thing. Looks like we're going to consolidate again here. Possible another little... I want it to hold above the 10-day if we're going to keep moving. Oh, there we go. MRIN breaking out. Oh, now we got 18. Yeah, I'm sure Tool Worker is another persona of Daniel B. MRIN still pushing. If we break out pre-market high at 1040, this is going to be on. Got 2 possible plays going here. Still a little volatile, but this is a nice build-up. Yeah, okay, so you can see there CEI. Oops. Put that line the wrong way. Oh, actually, it may just rip here. Yep, there it goes. Just push for a new high. Let's see if it really gets going. Just gave it a poke, so no, we're still consolidating. Yeah, I don't like the way that looks. God, look at the SPY. The SPY is just going, I mean, jeez. It's nasty. And MRIN back down again. We gotta hold 320 on this candle. We gotta stay above, or not 320, 1020. SPY's about to drop some more, man. It's about to crack 435. Yeah, there it goes cracking. I may just lock out here and just call it a day for now, because this is getting real nutty in the market. The SPY's dropped $5 in a matter of 45 minutes. That's quite a drop. It's going to make it, see, and that's the thing. Every time we start to break out and the market starts slamming down, it's going to cause pullbacks. Man, I don't like that candle followed by this red candle. I'm trying to give us a chance to hold up. Let me see. Ooh, turn my head for a second. MRIN really getting pulled back here. Alright, looks like we're going to try to hold 325. I'm going to go ahead and move this. Oops, or I'm going to add another one. Why not? See, we are a little ways off the trend line, but I figured we'd at least try to test 350 before we had that pullback, but I don't know. So let's look at the 15-minute. 15 minutes. It looks decent other than this almost double top here. It's not quite a double top, but it is very close. And MRIN's got to hold up 10. Don't drop below 10. Oh yeah, look how red the market's turning. We are really turning red. Go pushing up to 15. If that breaks 15, that could run. TATS with a little sell off. That's selling off. I think that's done. I'm going to take that off the list for now. BTCS, alright, in that area. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go to the 15-minute here. Let's see what we got going on. I seize a pattern. Bam. Yeah, we got a little triangle we're testing right now. I'm going to actually move that. That's why we're getting held up at 1020. We're in a triangle. This is a 2-day wedge going on. So it's got to break this wedge. You can see where it's having problems. But if we hold up here, that will be building higher lows. See, alright. I'm gonna see if it can bounce off the VWAP here. SPY's about to dump again. Look at this. SPY drops below 430. Yeah, it's over. It's about to drop. Oh, no. It tried to hold. No, I don't want MRIN to drop much more. It looks like CEI may try to hold this. May try to keep moving. Let me redraw that line. That's bothering me. That line is so crooked. No, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Oh, actually, it actually should be crooked. I can see it now. There we go. There we go. That's the pattern. So we got this range between 975 and 1015. Yeah, very nice. That's a good sign there. That's what I was waiting to see. Buying coming in and pushing this candle up off of the VWAP on CEI. So still showing a little bullish action there. You can see, look, SPY rebounded. Both of these started pushing up a little bit. We're fighting a downtrend, so I'm just trying to give these a chance, try to get a little more profit out of them. Or give them a chance to try to have another little run, but always remember, the trend is your friend, and in a downtrended market, if you're going long, you're fighting a uphill battle. Powell to the rescue. What did Powell say now? What is he? What is his bright grand plans? Are they going to speak a hint about tapering? Are they going to whisper it in each other's ears? Sweet nothings of taper, taper, taper. Taper, taper, taper. It's to scare everybody or not scare everybody. I don't even know. I don't know what the Fed's doing anymore. I don't know what anything is anymore. I just listened to the CEO of Moderna last night. He put out a video on Yahoo Finance, and I can't remember word for word how he said everything, but the video is on my Facebook. But he said, basically, we don't know. The vaccine is waning, and we don't know exactly why. Basically, he's like, but we should continue to give booster shots, even if we know if it doesn't work, or even if it doesn't work, or if we know for sure, we should just do it anyway. Basically, in short, he said that they didn't know that the vaccines were not working, and people would have to continue to get booster shots, but they should do it just because. I don't think anything's propping it up right now. This is just a little bit of buying. Remember at the beginning of the stream, over here on Webull here, if I can get back to the market without glitching up too much here. I said a little earlier ago, I said there's a lot of volume on the short shares of the SDAO and all of that. Dog is short shares. And you got the DDM. Oh, no, none of those are short. But you can see the longs are red, the shorts are green. So that could just be a little bit of shorters covering right there. You know, that's all that could be. Alright, we're looking alright on both of these plays at the moment. I don't like that little candle. If this one needs to push back up. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I was gonna look at this news on the SPY because there's a bunch of news. Okay, we saw that. Fed Service Index 3 versus 15 prior. Consumer confidence is down. U.S. Journal warns the reconstituted Al Qaeda with aspirations to attack the United States is a very real possibility, perhaps in as little as 12 months. Well, Lauren, let me tell you what. I recorded your military stock video, and I actually went through, I think, the entire list that you sent me, which was like 8 military stocks. Military stocks might start to get hot. I would not be surprised. Well, the reason there's not a lot of volume is because the SPY looks like this. The market looks like this. The longs are not wanting to put money in here. That's what I was saying. Like, if MRIN and CEI do not start pushing up, I'm going to lock them out. And just have a little breakish even day. And come back when the trend is in our favor. But right now, if you're trying to go long, which I am, I'm fighting this downtrend in the market, the overall market. The selling pressure is you can see. I don't like that on CEI. That needs to start bouncing here. Well, I kind of figured when you sent me that military stock list, you had a feeling or you knew something was up. But yeah, I looked through that list and I saw some of them like ammo, POWWW or whatever is getting contracts for the government. I'm gonna get that video out today. Like I said, I ended up recording every single stock on the list in one stock video. It's one stock review video. And it's going to take me a bit of editing. And I see CEI pulling back even more. But I'm going to get it out today. It's going to take me a little time on editing. We're almost back down to the trend line, so I'm actually not mad at CEI if it holds above 3. I may just hold it longer. Yeah, right here's where we got to see it hold. It's got to hold above the trend line. Should have locked it out there at the top, but SPY, I may just have to get out of everything. Yeah. SPY's cracking that 435. Powell. Oh, God. All right. There's more stuff from Jerome Powell I'm going to have to read. Jerome Powell is talking his nonsense. Let's see, look at these pullbacks. Ugh. Okay, we did get some buying off of there. All right, let's see what's going on real quick. Finish what, care what anybody tweets. Pelosi tells law. Somebody's gonna have to explain this debt ceiling to me. I don't understand how you can just say, hey, we owe all this debt, but we're going to give ourselves a bump in our credit limit. They're going to raise their credit limit. Wouldn't that be nice if you could just raise your credit limit on your credit cards whenever you felt like? You guys ain't doing nothing. Janet Yellen. Oh, God. Powell's actually speaking right this moment. I did not know he was speaking right now. Unemployment would rise if debt limit not reached. What is she talking about? Powell says Fed has all but met criteria to support taper. Well, the market is going down, and it is probably going to go down for a while. We are getting a nice little rebound off of 435 at the moment, but this daily chart on the SPY, man, not looking good. Same with the DIA. NASDAQ composite. Ooh. Composite's below the 50-day. Prepare for big drops in the market coming up. It may be time to ring the alarm like I was talking about. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice. They got a classified. Come on, CEI. Alright, CEI, you gotta hold up this trend line here. If you crack this trend line. See what's oil at and look at that. Yeah, oil's still dropping. Boy, CEI really dumping here. Big buyers just came in. Some big sellers too, though. My criteria for long stocks, I do have a new series called Building a Portfolio. I don't know if you've seen the video for that. And then plus all the stock reviews, I review stocks, so you can see my criteria in that. But my criteria is I want them on a constant uptrend for years. And I want them to have relatively debt to low income ratio, 30% or below, or debt to asset ratio anyway. And I want to see growing revenues year over year. I want to see growing levered free cash flow year over year. I just want to see a business that's ran well. And of course, You want to look for businesses that are going to be around for a long time. If you're long term investment, you don't want to buy into something that's like a Teletubby stock or something that you know. It said the Republicans are going to get our debts paid without raising it. Yeah, I don't know how we're going to pay off 30 trillion in debt. I don't know. Like what is inevitably going to happen is if we default, this all of the bubbles are going to pop. You're going to see everything pop. Cryptos, real estate, everything will pop. All the bubbles will be popping. And we're going to see some nastiness. But Bliss, and talking about long-term investing, I am very bearish on the stock market, been for a while, and this looks like the start of the drop that I've been warning about. This looks very similar, and the Feds are actually going to taper. That means they're going to bring billions of they're going to stop putting billions of dollars in the market. Reading the tape. Yeah, so I mean, tape is just your time and sells. So I mean, it's pretty simple to read if you want to make it as simple as possible. But when you're seeing a lot of green, the stock's more than likely going to be going up. If you're seeing a lot of red, the stock is more than likely going to be going down. Because all it is buying and selling. The whole entire stock market, stock trading, all of that is buying and selling. These candles represent the buying and the selling. The level 2 represents buying and selling. The volume bars, the time and sells. So they're all just broken down, are just buying and selling. It's just simple supply and demand. So if you get a whole lot more people buying, you're seeing a lot of buys coming through on the time and sells than selling, then the price will go up. You see a lot more selling and not enough people buying, then the price will go down. I guess that's the one thing about all of this. The indicators, everything. All it's doing is measuring the price movements. Everything is just measuring the transactions, the buys and sells. So don't overthink it. A lot of traders like to overthink it, but it's as simple as what I said. CEI trying to pop back above 3, holding up that trend line so far. MRIN looks like it's trying to build a higher low. I'm trying to give it a chance to build this higher low right here. No problem, Bliss. I appreciate that. I'm glad you're part of the community, part of the channel. Yeah, you're welcome. It's as simple as that. Green good, red bad. I mean, what do you want from me? It's useless info. Oh boy. This is a very sketchy day. GOO still pushing up slowly. GCS. Oil still. Gold and silver is starting to push up a little bit. That dollar needs to come down. It's insanity. There's no reason why the only reason I can figure that the dollar is strengthening right now is because people are pulling out of the stock market. So to go from the stock market to another asset, you got to go to the U.S. dollar. So it's strengthening it. It's a false strengthening. We've seen this multiple times over the last couple of months. Oof, we don't even have any gainers today in the crypto markets. Crypto markets are getting slammed. Bitcoin down to 41,000. Oh, hold on a second. Let me see. Oh, we do have some top gainers. OKB's up. Uniswap. Just talked about both of those yesterday, last night in the last trip. Numira popping. Yeah, not much going on, though. Other than that, why don't you go eat a cheeseburger? All right, this is the last stop here. If this doesn't hold up here, I'm getting out. Just gotta hold the bottom of this triangle. Even JCS is having a little pullback. Yeah, see, SPY tried to rebound, rejected again. It looks like it's gonna try to come back down here again. Nasty, nasty, nasty. CEI is trying to push back up. Hey, there's Daniel B, not disguised as tool worker. That's alright. If somebody left a thumbs down or leaves a bad comment, it still helps with the YouTube algorithm, so it doesn't really matter. People think they're getting you with that, but nope. Does not hurt at all. In fact, it helps. So I welcome the hate. You didn't know I was streaming? So now you got split personalities, Daniel B? Now wait a minute, wasn't Daniel B talking trash to Tool Worker the other day? Dude, I don't know what's real and what's fake anymore. I don't even care. I'm just out here trading. Y'all can keep keep playing the troll psychological games or whatever you're trying to do. I don't know what you're doing. I don't care what you're doing. I'm too busy losing money. At least today, anyway. I don't know like I said, I don't know what's going on. I'm not even gonna entertain it anymore. I'm already done with that. Yeah, spies. It's trying to hold up. It didn't drop as hard. I don't know. CEI. Let's see what else is going on, if anything. DGBI, nothing there. SNOA, nothing there. And remember what I said this morning about SNOA. And we were talking about this the other day, me and Hal. If you look at the daily chart on the stock and it's got a bunch of gap downs and big wicks and all that selling, more than likely it's going to gap down or sell off after a gap up. It doesn't hold gains very well. So you can see that thing sold completely off. Zevo is one to keep on watch. If it can push back over 5, this would be an inverse head and shoulders. That would be a shoulder. This would be a shoulder. And this would be the head down here. And with the inverse head and shoulders, you usually see a rip up. So it could be a possible play forming there on Zevo. JCS still weakening some. CEI may be about to crack. We're going to go back to CEI real quick. Yeah, a little indecision candle right here above the trend line, followed by a red candle. This is a bearish engulfing. A little double top there too. Yeah, CEI may be done. It may be done. I mean, I don't even know why I'd want to ban him. He's not said anything that's even remotely anything. It's just dumb. It's just dumb disses. Disses that aren't even worth my time to reply to, really. Like, if you're gonna diss me, make it funny. Going, you already got 11 viewers. Whatever. Like, whatever. Could care less. Spy. Alright guys, I'm going to take a quick little break here because it is getting slow. We'll give the stream about 20 more minutes. If you guys got any questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. So we get back above 3 here. Yeah, looks like it. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright. Ooh, MRIN just dropped pretty hard. Let's see. Yep. Gotta get out of that. So what's the SPY doing? Whew. CI still holding up 3 so far. Alright, let's see. Sedate your cat. Benadryl. Use Benadryl. Alright. At 435 is holding pretty decently on the SPY for now. TGBI, a little bit of a double bottom going on here, so possibly could see that start moving in a little bit. But we're going to need to see the market continue to rebound. Well, we're going to need to see the market rebound, not continue. It's not rebounded at all yet, but it's going to have to continue to rebound, or it's going to have to rebound. And that could be a possible play. It's funny that Daniel B is not speaking at all while Tool Worker's speaking. Also, where's One Life? I noticed One Life has not been in the chat in a little while. So we're starting to get a little pushback up on MRIN. That's what I wanted to see, because it has cracked below. It's, you know, such a pretty low float stock. It has cracked below that triangle a couple of times, or my triangle could be just drawn wrong. It could be more like that. Hard to tell, but we'll see. But oil's got to come back up. Look at all that selling. A lot of selling. Computers, phones, and household electronics are up today. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, this is how it's gonna be. Just because of the uncertainty, it's gonna be like this all around all the markets. This is a lot of selling on the SPY though. Was the SPY at 35 million in volume, and we got 2 million. Probably about 7 million in there of decent buying volume. The rest has all been selling. But yeah, we're gonna see a lot of choppiness in everything. See, this week is just a crazy week altogether because of what the hell did he just say? Would be idea if any central bank digital currency had authorizing legislation from Congress. I'm gonna have to go watch this nonsense after this stream here and see what the hell they're actually saying. MRIN, you're giving up on me here. You're giving up on me. Let's just take a look at the swing trade list here. SAC down, DATS still looking alright. BTCS slowing down at that 50-day moving average. ISG with another little pop there. But volume is really starting to die off, CEI. See, 53 if I was 12 more cents, that'd be $5. Now I was gonna put a stop loss, but I may have to just drop it. Alright, I don't know what I just clicked on. Let's see. 957. So I'm gonna put a stop loss in at 9. Just go 954. If it cracks any lower than that, it's gonna fall off. Let's see, CEI, where you at? CEI did have a little pullback, but still trying to hold 3. Still trying to hold on that uptrend. Got same situation on both of them where they're both trying to hold. SPY dumping more. Where's all my one life? Where you at? Where you at on the spy, buddy? Remember how you've been telling me I was crazy? Remember that? Remember how I said things are going to keep getting worse and worse? Remember that? I was trying to warn you. I didn't want to be right, but as each day goes by, the more and more I wish that I was not right. 'Cause a lot of people are about to get hurt. And that's the truth. This financial economic crisis is going to be rough. It ain't going to be over quick either. The way I see it, we're just getting started. Yeah, I have a new troll. He's a weird troll. He's very obsessed with how many people are watching me. Not sure why. The market needs to make a new low first? What do you mean? Yeah, well, whether it's Daniel B or not. The SPY needs to make a new low on the daily chart. I mean, if you want to hold stocks all the way down to 322 on the SPY, you go ahead and be my guest. Have fun with that. The lows all the way at 322, man. That would be the bottom I'd be looking at. Hey, there we go. A little bit of possible trend reversal here on MRIN. CEI still having issues with $3. I want to go on the inverse ETFs, but right now, I mean, the market is dropping pretty rapidly, but I don't like things around all the markets right now. There's a lot of stuff happening that is it's just not good. But the manipulation they're going to try to do, I'll tell you what, since you guys are worried about what I'm doing with my channel and my trading so much, why don't you guys take over for me? I'm going on vacation next week. Tool Worker, Daniel B, One Life. You guys can take over the channel and you can show everybody how you can run it better and how you can trade better. If you really need that much I don't even know what you need. Whatever it is you need, if that'll help you get it, then go for it. You said the daily chart on the SPY. The low on the daily chart is 322. So to make a new low, would have to be below 322. Or are you talking about a new recent low? Are you talking about a new low right below 428? Because we ain't that far from it. I mean, we're in a downtrend and we're heading in that direction. So I don't know. I need to go see what Powell's saying. Although I'm sure Powell's going blah 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 blah. Oh God, CEI just cracked hard. All right. Why is it showing 287? What's going on here? Is my charts acting up on Thinkorswim? Oh God, my charts are froze up on Thinkorswim. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna get out of everything, man. I can't. This is ridiculous. Okay, what's going on here? Let me see on the 1 minute. Oh, not the 15. 1 minute, 963. Okay, that's working. CEI. I'm not getting any time and set. Okay, alright. Yeah, I'm just getting out of everything. I don't know what the hell's going on. Thinkorswim's acting crazy. It's glitching up and everything. Oh, wait a minute. What if I got an MRIN? I got 30. Well, I got my stop loss in there, so I'll leave that stop loss in, but yeah, there it goes. Now it's trying to catch up. Boy, I think Thinkorswim is lagging right now. Shoot, SPY got all the way down to 433. All right. Hey man, congrats. 40. How old are you? You've been managing your portfolio for 40 years, so you're like 50 or 60 and you're trolling me? Like, what the hell? You're a millionaire old man who is trolling me. Okay. Now I'm really confused. Guys, I'm going to call it a day. My voice is already starting to hurt a little bit, feel strained, so I'm gonna go back to being quiet. Go back to hermiting. I got some more useless content for you guys coming out here in a little bit. You know, content that provides no value that nobody watches. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll be back for the last rip tonight with Hal. I think Hal should be good to go. Yeah, ugly market until the SPY stops dropping and finds a place to settle down at. It's going to be hard to trade anything because these drop downs are just going to mess with any trades. You're playing with 4,200 shares of AMC. You are dissing me, and you've got that much money in AMC. Oh, my Lord. I should have known you was an ape. I should have smelt the Cheeto fingers and the Red Bull. I don't care how much money you got. Honey with ginger and cayenne pepper. That sounds horrifying. I've got some honey. I've been having some nice little honey and tea drinks. Ain't nothing wrong with it. POWW starting to rip. That's what I was just saying earlier. Of course, Lauren's all over this, saying military stocks. Yeah, it's starting to pop up there. Guns Ammo Company has better 1-year return than Netflix, Apple, and Tesla. Yep. I said that a while back. Ammo was very valuable, especially in uncertain times. Alright, guys. Have a great rest of your day. I'm going to get this content out for you. Appreciate everybody joining me, as always. We'll be back tomorrow for some more live stream trading. Let's see what the market looks like. We're in sketchy times. Sketchy times. That's your hospital have faster than that. Alright, guys. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Till next time.